Hey everybody, I'm back with some more negative square roots. So we are looking at trying to estimate where they would go on a number line. So I have a cheat sheet right here that covers all the way up to 18 times 18, which is 324. So we're looking at these two a little bit larger numbers. So as I said in the previous couple of videos when I was talking about negative exponent or negative square roots, that when you're looking at them, you just think of them as a positive number to start with. And then you have applied the negative after the fact. So if I'm looking at these positive digits right here, I'm looking for where 200 would fall. So these are the numbers that are after the equal sign. So these are all these numbers, as you can see. So 1, 4, 9, 16, all these numbers after the fact. So 200, I see 196, which is pretty close to 200, and then I see 225. So these are the two numbers that 200 is between, the square root of 200. And that would be between 14 and 15. So 14 times 14 is 196. 15 times 15 is 225. So we have it somewhere between 14 and 15. But because these are negatives, we are going to put negative signs in front of these. And obviously it's really close. 196 is really close to 200. So it is definitely on the number line going to be very close to negative 14. So I'm going to do negative 16 here, negative 15. Negative 14, and negative 13. So it is going to be close, as I said, to negative 14. I'm going to put a line right here. You have a negative square root of 200, because right here would be negative 196. And then right here is going to be negative 225. And that's square roots on all of those. And that's how you do this. Now we're going to look at 350. This is square root of negative 350. Well, I didn't even do an extra one. So this is 324. So obviously I didn't go quite high enough on this one. So I want to do what 19 squared is. So 19 squared, if I square that, is 361. So that way I have enough to be able to get you covered for this last one. All right, so 350, a little bit closer on this 361 side, so it's closer to 19 times 19 than it is 18 times 18. So the two numbers it's close to are 18, or in between 18 and 19, and because we're doing a negative, these are between negative 18 and negative 19. So we'll do negative 20 here, negative 19 here, negative 18, and then negative 17. And as I said, the square root of 19 is 361, so this is negatives. So negative 361 here. Over here, this is going to be negative 324. So 350 is not too far off. And we're talking about if we're doing 324 versus 325, oh, sorry, 350 versus 324, you're talking about the fact that it's definitely, it's 26 off from that. If I'm looking at how far it is off of here from 361, or 11 off from that. So it's definitely, like I said, on the closer side. It's not quite halfway in between. It's a little bit more on the 19 side. So we're going to put a line like about right there, and we're going to say negative 350. I'll put that right here. And that would be approximately where I would place it on a number line. If you want more questions like this and much more, you can find them on my YouTube channel, YouWantAlgebra. You can find them on my TikTok and my Instagram, all the same name. And the playlist for this is under the Roots and Exponents section.